you awesome women seeking balance, we've all been there, pushing to manage home, the office, family holidays, and even trying to sneak in a girls' night out. Perfection and balance aren't the same thing, and balance is what really works for me. To take my career to where it is today, it's taken a lot of help from family, loved ones, friends, career cheerleaders. That's what I call them.
Dear successful women, success isn't just about making a mark. It's about creating a difference. I believe it's up to each one of us to share what we have, the skills, the knowledge, our purpose and journey. We need more women in tech because we think differently. We bring new perspectives to the table and we complete the equation.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు శ్రవంతి. నాకు ఇల్లు గడవడానికి చాలా కష్టంగా ఉండేది. నేను సొంతంగా బట్టలు కుట్టగలుగుతున్నాను. దానివల్ల నాకు ఆర్థిక సాయం కూడా పొందుతున్నాను. దీని ద్వారా మీరు కూడా బట్టలు కుట్టడం నేర్చుకొని మీ బట్టలు మీరు సమాజంలో గౌరవం పొందాలని నేను కోరుతున్నాను. నాలాగా మీరు కూడా 10 మందికి నేర్పియాలని నేను కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
Dear women making an identity, I am a woman today, not just in my demeanor or my choice of words or the way I walk. I strived all my life to express myself. It wasn't always easy, but I pressed on. I began my life as a male in a conservative household at Mizoram. At first, I didn't even know of the concept of being a transgender. And now I'm a woman, keeping both my identity and dignity.
Dear worried mom-to-be, don't worry. Take a deep breath. You do not have to choose between your career and your baby. Just plan, take help, it will begin to work out. It worked out for me, and not just that. I even got promoted, that too twice.
Dear anxious woman, don't give it up in your mind even before you have given it a try. I was a business professional and I moved from there to become a social entrepreneur. It was not easy, but today, after 2 years, we are able to make so many disadvantaged women self-reliant.
Dear worried mothers, most of us go through this daily challenge of being able to strike a balance between work and kids. My son was diagnosed with autism when he was 5 years. My life, my career, my home, for that matter, everything had to change. Passion, perseverance, and positive attitude have always worked wonders for me.
Dear driven women, being a woman in most professions is a challenge, but then it's these challenges that bring out the best in us. We bring compassion, we bring drive, we bring a never say die attitude to work, press for progress. I did.
I did.
I did.
I did.
I did.
I did.
I did.